best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered.
Hello beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Barbara here again. If you're new to the channel, welcome. You my oldie but my goodie. Thank you so much for always tuning in to watch my videos. So we started the morning this vlog with breakfast. You guys know I love me some breakfast, some good breakfast, that way I don't rush to have lunch. So on this day I made dodo for the kids for school, so this is just leftover I'm eating. So I had Joey on my back because he was whining and he was just touching stuff he had no business touching. So I just wanted to like put him on my back, and I'm gonna be eating while doing so. So stay tuned and just hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Turn that post notification bell so that each time I upload you'll be notified. So let me enjoy my breakfast and I'll see you guys in the next clip.
I don't really need a new friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid to give it all to me. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden.
So I'm done with breakfast. I just want to start off with dinner. I'm gonna be preparing the favorite. Everybody loves this food in this house. This is kati kati. I'm gonna make chicken kati kati, which is called kati kati, and vegetable jama jama, huckleberry, yeah, and some fufu corn. They love this. Jason will tell you this is his favorite meal. So I washed off my chicken, took off the skin because I really don't like the skin, you know. And I'm just gonna slice some onions and then start prepping. So you guys enjoy this little cook with me section. And yeah, if you've tried this meal before, let me know. If this is one of your favorite, let me know. I know Cameroonians, we have so many favorites. This is most people's favorite too. So yeah, I love it. I love it.
And so spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid to give it all to me. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden, are gorgeous. We'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, cause I'm golden, I'm golden. You're not really looking for a friend, so at the top for me. Never thought that loving would be easy, but it's all for free. Won't cost a thing, so it's yours worth the try. Oh, this is the real thing. I'm down if you're down, boy. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden, are gorgeous.
Stand. 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 Dada. Dada.
We'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, cause I am golden, I'm golden.
Dick, it's not gonna chip through.
Get next to me.
No, pick it up. No. She's distracting you, right? Take.
You're sweating. Jojo is fine. What? I came across this my sweet mambo. I was so anxious and ready to eat this mambo, and I turned it around to look at the expiration date. Oh boy, this mambo was expired already, so I couldn't eat it. I just had to put it in the trash, but it was way the expiration date 2020, we're on 2021, so yeah, I just had to like toss it. This is made in Cameroon, Douala, Cameroon. So mambo, oh, goodbye to you.
Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push your limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push your limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push your limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push your limits with you right now. Right now, right now. Get it right now, right now, right now. Get it right now, right now, get it right now. Yeah, push your limits with you right now.
So it's now time for my fufu corn. My chicken is almost ready. My vegetable is ready. So let's go ahead and do the fufu corn.
Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push all the limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push all the limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push all the limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push all the limits with you right now.
So Joey's sleeping right now. I'm gonna go put him in bed and come back and wash the dirty dishes. So that's how my stove is looking right now. I love to clean immediately I finish cooking. I can't eat in a dirty environment. So next step is for me to go to the bathroom, take me a good shower since Joey is sleeping right now. I'm gonna prep with some makeup on, and then yeah, because I want to film some videos. So yeah, I just felt like it. I just felt like putting on makeup and enjoy myself. So I'm gonna light up some candle, pumpkin patch. I love this scent, so I light this one in the bathroom, and white pumpkin in the kitchen, which I ran out of. So yeah.
Everybody's been saying that you're up to no good. Everyone has been telling me that you got me hooked. You're playing it big time. You're feeding me lies. Everyone has been bugging me to sever.
Oh, I am back. So hey guys, I am back. Sorry, my voice, I can't really. So I want to share with you guys this package that my husband got it for me. My voice is out. It's out. So you guys will just watch. So this is the box right here. I'm excited. I'm gonna spray the perfume so bad. So you guys already saw that in my last vlog. I'm not irritating you guys with this. So we're just gonna go ahead and unbox it. This is from Macy's, as you can see in the box. So I'm just gonna go ahead.
Lucky me, lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky me. Lucky. I won't let the door hit when I leave. Should've known by your rap sheet that you weren't nice, but now I am telling you I'm going to smile. But I would never, ever would have believed them, no reason. Sometimes the truth is hard to see, but now the never, ever seemed to be over. I saw her, so I'm happy I got freed. Lucky me. Lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky me. Lucky. I won't let the door hit when I leave. I guess that I was born to be sorry. And never we could say I won't remember who you are. And he ran out of luck and now it's my time. Ain't no looking back, I'm on the right track.